Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a cool song from Daniel Seavey. Love is a gun. That was a gunshot, very bad one, but still a great song. Now, before we move on with this tutorial, Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago is my new channel. Go and check out that one. If you want to support me here, that is the best we can do. Go and subscribe to Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago, a different way of learning songs, full songs from A to Z. Follow on the screen the chords and learn them, and that's yeah, support I need. So thank you so much, guys. Now let's focus on this Love is a Gun song. We have a capo on second. Okay, we have 4 chords. That's what we need. So A minor first goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have E minor next. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. F, which is a bar chord, and you're going to place index finger as a bar on the first fret. Push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And then finally we have the G. And that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Okay, so we're going to start with the verse and chorus. It's actually played pretty much in the same way. We have 2 ways of playing, but still same chords and so. So we're going to look into the melody part first. It's A minor, E minor, F, and G chord progression. So A minor first. Open A, second D, open B, and first B. Then comes the E minor part. It goes like this. So you're going to play the open E string and the bass together with the open B. Then second G and open G. Then comes the F part. It goes first fret E string in the bass, third A, and open G. And finally G, which is third fret E string, open D, and second G. That is the melody. It's clashy melody. It goes like this. And so on. Okay, cool one, huh? Now let's look into the strumming, and it's a very simple. You're gonna play, of course, the same chords. Now you have to hold the full chords as they are. You're gonna play 4 downs per chord. That is 1 string around. So that means, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you switch to E minor and play the same, F the same, and G the same. 1 of these string rounds per chord. So A minor, E minor, F, G. So here you have both the verse play and the chorus play. You can go either melody or this strumming. Very simple. And in between there we have a pre-chorus, and it's played 2 times in the song. I believe it's like 34 seconds in, but then also 1 minute and 24 seconds in. And what you're gonna play there is the strumming, and it goes F, 3 string rounds. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 times of that. Then G, 1 string round. Then you go back to F and play 2, and then you're gonna finish off with G, 3 down. So 1, 2, 3, and then a pause. That's it. So slowly it goes like this. Pause, and then comes again the chorus, which is played in the same way as we just learned. The verse and chords are the same. And that's it, guys. There you have all the tools to play Love is a Gun. Good luck with that. Until next time, play tuned.